So our next topic in the unit computer memory is registers. In this video, we are going to discuss what is register in processor and its basic types. Okay, so let us start. Register is nothing but a type of computer memory built directly into the processor or CPU that is used to store and manipulate data during the execution of the instructions. Okay, register is nothing but a temporary storage device which will store the instances of the program during the execution period of that particular instruction or program. So this is the diagram of a register. Next, size of CPU register. In this topic, we will describe the various size of CPU register. The first one is 8-bit register. So it will store 8 bits of data, that is 1 byte data at a time. It is often used for basic arithmetic operations and data manipulation or data updation. Our second type is 16-bit register. These registers can store 16-bit of data that is also called as 2 bytes of data. It is used commonly in the older processors, okay, that will require the 16-bit operation. Next is 32-bit registers. It will store 32 bits of data, which means 4 bytes of data. It handles the large data and complex calculations that are processed by the computer. Last one is 64-bit register. It will store 64 bits of data, that is 8 bytes. Nowadays, in the modern processors or the modern CPU, the 64-bit register is commonly used because of its high computational power and better better memory addressing capability than the other registers. Okay. Now let us see how the registers work in the computer system. So let us start first with our general purpose register. General purpose register is the register which stores the operands in the form of bits. For example, we are doing an operation, for example, a plus b is equals to c. What are the operands in this operation? The operands in this operation is a and b. So a and b will be stored in the form of bits in the general purpose register. Okay. Now my second register is process status register. It stores the result in the form of bits. It means the operation a plus b is equals to c, in which c is the result of the operation. The process status register will store the result in the form of bits, means it will store c in the form of bits. Next is program counter. Program counter register stores the address of the next instruction which will be going for processing. For example, if we have done the operation a plus b is equals to c, now we are doing an operation c plus d is equals to e. So the program counter will store the address of this next instruction c plus d is equals to d. Now next is address register, which stores the address of our instructions. Next one is MBR or memory buffer register. MBR or memory buffer register. MBR is used when we want to retrieve an information from address or address register. Okay. Next one is instruction register. Instruction register is the register which stores all our instructions. All the instructions are stored into the instruction registers. At last, let us describe what is decoder. Decoder is nothing but a medium to convert the high level language to binary or zero fun format, which can be understood by the computer,